Hey everyone, this is Alicia and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing swatches of the BH Cosmetics Midnight Festival eyeshadow palette. The palette retails for $15 to $20 and is only available on the BH Cosmetics website. The palette features 20 shades that are a mix of 12 mattes, 4 shimmers, and 4 pressed glitters, and the palette also features a decent sized mirror. So if you'd like to see swatches of this palette, just keep on watching. Just so that this video isn't longer than what it needs to be, I won't be giving you any shade descriptions. I'll just be giving you my thoughts on the palette as I do the swatches. I made sure that I listed the names of each shade on the lower right hand side of the screen. I used my e.l.f. contour brush to do the swatches and I did not apply a base or a primer beforehand. I'm starting with the first row going left to right. All the shades except for the pressed glitter had fallout and all the shades in the palette had decent pigmentation. I don't know if it's because I had to wait over a month to receive this order and it's caused my excitement about this palette to go away, but I'm honestly not impressed with how any of these swatch. I expected in-your-face color payoff, but for this to be a festival-themed palette, they were too subtle for me. The pressed glitters will need a glitter glue underneath because they still moved around even after they were applied. If you're like me and you have a bunch of colorful palettes, then you should pass this up because I'm more than certain that you have these shades in your collection. I do want to mention that a bunch of these shades were not intended for the immediate eye area, and those shades are Fantasy, Laser, Dance, Experience, Main Stage, After Party, Beat Drop, Techno, Ferris Wheel, Daisy, Bass, Jewel, Sparkler, Firework, and Noise. So if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, as well as to turn on your notifications, and I hope to see you all soon. Bye.
But we're nearing chances to wake the day.